21st century, a new age is at hand. The Seoul Busan high-speed rail is coming, being accelerated by the innovation and changes the new age will bring.
빠르고 편안하겠죠?
The highest speed, the best comfort. You can experience a whole new world.
정말 기대돼요. 생활이 확 바뀔 것 같아요.
The Seoul Busan high-speed rail, an airplane running on rails. The rail history with a new concept is beginning. The Seoul Busan high-speed rail, a production of the latest technology. The best technologies have been concentrated on all the parts of this high-speed rail, such as rolling stock of a new concept, electric and signal systems, and the track bed, all to ensure your safe and pleasant travel. The Seoul high-speed rail has been equipped with the latest safety systems in order to ensure safe operation and to protect the passengers from unexpected danger. New systems which cannot be found in normal trains. This is the power of technology for the Seoul Busan high-speed rail. Bogie with wheels plays a role of supporting the body. A unique type of bogie different from other trains has been used for the Seoul Busan high-speed rail. In case of Germany and Japan, bogies used for high-speed trains just play a role supporting the car body, and the passenger cars are connected to each other by connectors in the shape of a ring. Bogies for the Seoul Busan high-speed rail play roles of not only supporting the car body, but also rigidly connecting each passenger car, preventing poor connections due to the connectors in the shape of a ring. The connection method to be used for the Seoul Busan high-speed trains is to connect all the passenger cars as one body. So if the train gets derailed, cars won't be separated or fall. And as they are lighter than normal trains, they can run very fast at ease. Articulate bogie of the Seoul Busan high-speed rail, which can run in a natural way just like the articulation of human beings. The Seoul Busan high-speed rail can protect the passengers from unexpected accidents. In July 1998, a high-speed train in Germany caused an accident resulting in massive loss of life. The cause for the terrible accident was breakdown of the wheels. In general, all the train wheels have a separated structure connecting the inside wheel body to the outside wheel with a ring. So if it gets a large shock, it is easily damaged. Whilst the wheels of the Seoul Busan high-speed rail consist of one body, there is no possibility of breakdown. Trains running at a very high speed will be equipped with a powerful braking system which can stop the trains instantly in case of unexpected situations. The existing braking system of TGV consists of friction braking, stopping the trains by pressure directly to the wheels, and resistance braking, decreasing the speed by turning electric energy into heat. This braking system has been improved by adding a new braking function for the Seoul Busan high-speed rail. This is a perfect triple braking system. The triple braking system is a regenerated braking system, reproducing the electric power by rotating in the opposite direction the electric motor of the existing dual braking system. This triple braking system has been reinforced with its train braking capability and the effect of energy reduction for multiple purposes. The Seoul Busan high-speed rail, another new technology. Motor cars located at both ends of the train are furnished with a device which can absorb more than 80% of the shock. This shock absorption device, called a honeycomb, is made of special material in order to minimize damage in case of a collision accident. And there is no operation failure even if a train collides with an obstacle weighing 700 kilograms while running at a speed of 300 kilometers per hour. And the passage connecting each passenger car is furnished with this device, absorbing and dispersing shock in order to protect passengers from any kind of accident. While high-speed trains are operated automatically under the control of the latest system, drivers continuously confirm the operation condition to provide safer operation. Seoul Busan high-speed trains have been equipped with an operator monitoring system in case of drowsiness or if the driver becomes incapacitated. In the event of operation problems occurring, a detection sensor automatically rings an alarm for attention. If there is no proper action taken by the driver in spite of the alarm, the train will automatically stop. This operation monitoring system can make the Seoul Busan high-speed trains operate better and more safely. The Seoul Busan high-speed rail faster and more pleasant. If strong air pressure is produced when a train is passing in a tunnel at high speed, it is transmitted to passenger cars, and the passengers may feel ringing in their ears. The Seoul Busan high-speed train has been equipped with the latest pressure wave attenuating flap, automatically closing the air vent when a train passes through a tunnel and opening it automatically after it is passed in order to prevent ringing of the ears. Tunnels of the Seoul Busan high-speed rail are larger than those of foreign high-speed rails, and the inlets and outlets of tunnels are trumpet in figure to ensure a smooth airflow, maintaining a pleasant feeling for passengers. Electric energy, a source of operating high-speed trains. The Seoul Busan high-speed train will be supplied continually with 25,000 volts of electricity. The Seoul Busan high-speed rail has been equipped with dual power supply devices, supplying electric power through two different electric wires in order to ensure a stable supply of electricity. The high-speed rail can be supplied with electric power in a more stable way, as electric power supply systems are installed dually, such as substations. And even though one wire faces interruption of electric power can be supplied through the other wire. A train cannot be operated under the same conditions all the time. A train may not be operated if the catenary is iced or covered with snow, causing the problem in providing trains with electric power. In preparing for these kinds of emergencies, the Seoul Busan high-speed rail has been equipped with a de-icing system, using the principle of an electric heater. Therefore, it can be operated in a smooth way, even in the very cold of winter. It is not possible to control trains running at a very high speed with a hand-operated brake. The Seoul Busan high-speed rail has been equipped with an automatic train control system in order to maintain safe distances of each train all the time. An automatic train control device, in cooperation with a computer furnished in the train, signal center and signal system of the track, controls the speed automatically by comparing the limited speed and actual operating speed. Therefore, safe operation can be ensured. The trackbed facility is the most important factor for safe operation of the high-speed rail. 1 square meter of concrete for bridges of the Seoul Busan high-speed rail can endure the weight of 270 trucks respectively, 15 tonners loaded fully with luggage, as it was made to have a special strength. Therefore, it is stronger than other structures, such as buildings or normal bridges. The Seoul Busan high-speed rail is being constructed using clean gravel and sand, and by cooling water in the summer to ensure that it can be maintained for more than 100 years. The Seoul Busan high-speed rail is constructed to run at a maximum speed of 350 kilometers per hour. Therefore, railroad line is being constructed to be close to a straight line and level with the ground. As it is not possible to construct all the railroad lines to be straight, there are some curved portions, but in this case, the radius of the curved portions is limited to less than 7 kilometers, so the curved portions look almost straight. And the horizontal angle from the ground is less than 25 over 1,000, 1.5 degrees, maintaining a level with the ground. The Seoul Busan high-speed rail, connecting the whole country within the shortest time from Seoul to Busan. Safety of the rail is essential for speedy and pleasant operations. The rail of the Seoul Busan high-speed rail, having no joints, has been manufactured through a precise manufacturing process. Short rails of 25 meters each, manufactured at the steel plant, are connected to each other to be 300-meter rails by an automatic control welding system. And then they are welded at the construction site to be one rail through the whole section. As completed rail is anchored at the concrete sleeper at a regular distance, it does not expand or shrink depending on small weather changes. In the case of normal rail, the connected parts have some interval between themselves, resulting in clattering when a train is running, whereas the Seoul Busan high-speed rail can run smoothly on the track without clattering. The track of the Seoul Busan high-speed rail is being constructed with the help of the latest installation system for securing safe operations on the rail. Welding and installation conditions of the rails verified precisely by a computer system. After being installed, the rail is controlled by supersonic waves or laser devices in order to secure comfort of riding. The Seoul-Busan high-speed rail will cover a distance equivalent to 100 times the distance between Seoul and Busan. After all the sectors such as running time, energy, and safety are inspected, it will be ready to operate. The Seoul-Busan high-speed rail, a leading traffic innovation for the 21st century. The Korea High-Speed Rail Construction Authority is trying its best to construct a high-speed rail, giving priority to safety. We are asking for your encouragement and support throughout construction of the Seoul-Busan high-speed rail. The Seoul-Busan high-speed rail, a production of the latest technology. Now, the dream of Korea for the 21st century is coming true.